Ways of closing.
Draw. Pull something to close. She drew the curtains as the sun set. Draw the blinds before you sleep. Draw curtains. Snap. Close something with a sharp click. Snap the lid on the container. He snapped the box shut. Snap the lid. Shut. Make something no longer open. Shut the window, it's cold outside. Please shut the cupboard door. To shut. Latch. Close the door or gate with a latch. Latch the garden gate. Please latch the door behind you. To latch. Cap. Put a cap or lid on. Cap the pen when you finish. Cap the bottle tightly. To cap. Cover. Put something on top to close. Cover the pot. Cover the bowl with a lid. To cover. Screw. To turn something, like a lid or cap, to close or fasten it. Screw the lid on the bottle. She screwed the jar lid on tightly. To screw. Slam. Close loudly and forcefully. Don't slam the door. She slammed the drawer in anger. To slam. Fold down. Close by folding. Fold down the laptop. He folded down the crate lid. To fold down. Seal. To close tightly so air or liquid cannot enter. Seal the envelope carefully. The jar was sealed properly. To seal. Fold. To bend or bring parts together so something becomes flat or closed. She folded her umbrella after the rain stopped. Please fold the clothes neatly before putting them away. To fold. Zip up. To close with a zipper. Zip up your jacket. He zipped up his backpack. To zip up. Button up. To close using buttons. Button up your shirt. She buttoned up her coat. To button up. Wrap. Close or cover by folding something around it. Wrap the sandwich in foil. She wrapped the gift neatly in paper. To wrap. Terminate. To formally close or end something, official use. The agreement was terminated due to a policy change. The service will be terminated at the end of the month.